We'll guide you through how to change your WhatsApp profile picture. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide whether you use an iPhone or an Android. We're explaining it for both. So perhaps your profile picture on WhatsApp is old, or you just no longer want it anymore, or there's another reason why you want to go and change it. So to get started on Android, in the top right of the chats, press the three dots and press settings. On an iPhone, you can press U in the bottom right. On an iPhone, press U in the bottom right. Now, what you then want to do is you actually go to the top and you want to go and tap on your current profile picture, like so. This then brings you to your profile page here, and just below your profile picture, you can see the option for edit, and you can go and tap edit, and you can take a photo, choose a photo, create one, import it, or delete the current one. We could press choose photo and find one. Let's say I wanted this one here. I'll go and tap on it like so. You can pinch it to crop it and adjust it to your liking. And then what you can do is go and press choose in the bottom right. It will then go and refresh. And as you can see, it's now successfully changed it.